Everyday life is about interactions and the way we communicate. Technology today has opened up new ways for us to connect. But how we interact is so much more than the words we say or type. It's about body language and eye contact. And sometimes this is essential to get a message through. We enable the personal meeting online, putting you and the customer in the same room. Together, look at what you're talking about. Drag and drop interactive objects on the screen, and step by step, take things forward. A personal meeting leaves no room for misunderstandings. We have seen higher conversion rates, lowered return rates, and more satisfied customers. By bringing back the power of real people, we have changed the way we interact online.